Hi, this is Tom from Vern Eide Honda here in Sioux Falls, giving a quick demonstration of how the code alarm remote starter works on our 2016 Honda CRV. Now, the code alarm remote has a couple buttons on it that you're familiar with, lock and unlock on the front. On the side there's a start button and a function button used for programming. Now this CRV is an EXL configuration, so it does have the smart key on this, and there's a couple different ways to activate the remote starter with this. First is from the factory remote, pressing the lock button 3 times. On the 3rd time you'll see the lights flash and the car will start. To start the car using the aftermarket remote, on the side of the remote there is a button for start. You actually have to press the button 2 times. Hold it down and press it a 2nd time. When the lights flash, the car is running. Now when the car's remote started, the smart key functions are still preserved. When you walk up to the car and grab the door handle, it will unlock, and as you approach the vehicle, the engine will shut off. Now that is a security feature. Once you're in the car, all you have to do is put your foot on the brake and repress the start button, and she's running again. Now for a couple of pro tips. Now, we live in South Dakota. We know it's cold. So when you're getting out of the car, if you're going to park it outside and you suspect there's going to be frost, before you get out of the car, press the front defrost button. When the car starts back up, that'll default to on. And if you're lucky enough to have seat heaters, make sure to flip the switches on before you get out of the car so the seats will be warmed up by the time you get back. Now after the system is installed, you will have 2 remotes, and a lot of the functions do overlap. Locking and unlocking is available on both. Starting, there is the button on the side here, or the triple click on the remote. The biggest difference between the two is range. The Honda factory remote has roughly 100-foot range when under ideal conditions, whereas the aftermarket remote, in ideal conditions, has about a half-mile range. That was a real quick run through on the functions of our remote starter system. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call and ask for your favorite Honda sales representative here in Vern Eide Honda in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Thanks for watching.